What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we are on our way to Calgary. That is right, we are gone for 5 days. We are heading down there to go to Calgary Park for 5 whole days. Well, not quite. Today we're just gonna get in and get settled in the hotel, and then tomorrow we'll go to Calgary Park. Today we'll probably just do the pool. We got all the kids in the car. They're fighting already. Can't even get down the road 2 miles. But anyways, with that said, let's get on the road heading to Calgary. Well, guys, we made it to Calgary and we are going into Calgary Park. Wasn't our intentions, but after getting almost down to Calgary, realized I forgot my cards. So we said, well, why don't we just go here? We'll get it right now and that'll be good. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna get the cards now and go have a little bit of fun. Not a lot, just a little bit.
What? I've never been like right here. I've only been like and like everywhere else. This one's the fast. It's like you get pulled.
Oh yeah. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, like.
But then you could imagine there was a barrier and was
I'm the fastest around.
Your embarrassing photo.
Well, guys, we went on a bunch of rides, went on the roller coaster. We're looking for wifey, and then we'll probably head her home to the hotel. I'm not sure yet. Trying to find her, and we'll go from there. Well, guys, we made it to the hotel room, and let's take a look. We'll start up here at basically where you walk in. So here's where you walk in. There's wifey. Then we have this area, which is basically my office for my schooling. We got the TV there, couch there. Then you come in here. You got bed here for 2 kids. A bed here for 2 kids. You got TV here. Go over here. You got like a little, what do they call that? Reading chair. And then you come in here and you have Mama and Papa's room where we can watch TV too. Pretty nice little area. At only $206 a night, guys. $206 a night. So, anyways, I'm drinking a little Rockstar because I need energy to go swimming. So that's where we're heading now. You ready to go swimming? You ready to go swimming?
And I was like, here, nobody else.
Let's go swimming. All right, let me get changed And we'll catch you guys down at the pool. Tell them what you think. Hey, give them hugs. There you go, folks. Alright guys, we're heading out. We're gonna go grab something to eat now, but before we get going, I want to show you the shirts that we had made up. So we'll get Abby to show the front of hers first. The front. Okay, so the front of it says, watch your mouth, and then turn around. My dad has a gun. Then we had Hannah's done up, and it basically says the same thing, watch your mouth, and then you turn around. My dad's been to prison. And then you look at my shirt, they warned you, sorry, and then Abby, you show them the back.
And then it says, fine books have been written in prison.
Let's go.
So these are some shirts I had made up for me and the kids, me and the girls. They wanted matching shirts of some sort, so I thought it would be kind of a funny, you know, shirt to make up, right? Basically, you know, to tell a story. Well guys, we were sitting around waiting for our food. We just had a little appetizer, which the fries were, you know, like amazing. They were wicked. For fries, like honestly, they were pretty tasty fries, right? Like, like I could totally eat a whole bag of them. So, and then we got my Coors Light in a glass. Because you gotta have a little drink when you eat, right? Well guys, there you go. I got my food. She got a salad. And there's another beer. He got that there. My wifey got some shrimp and steak. She got shrimp with hers. I didn't get shrimp. He's got a burger and fries. What's yours?
A tomato basil linguine with chicken.
A tomato basil linguine with chicken? Yeah. Oh, you got ketchup too. Oh, okay. Yeah. This here, $31. Okay, I thought at least I get 2 scoops of potatoes.
Dad, I have a question.
What is it, bud?
Which one looks yummier, mine or yours?
Yours, man. It looks like it's gonna fill me more than mine. Anyways. Well, guys, we are back at the hotel. Just like that. It was good. It was good. The bill was up there, but it was good food. Would I go there again? No. I don't think that we need to feed our family like that there. You know, it's nice to take them out and stuff, but spending that kind of money, we don't need to do that all the time. You know, even if I was rich, I still wouldn't spend money like that all the time because I don't know how people can do that, right? Like, it just doesn't make sense to spend money like that. But it was good. But with that said, this is going to be a wrap for today. I thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.